What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to see channels info on WhatsApp web on PC in the new update. So first you need to head over to the WhatsApp web's website and then you need to log in with your WhatsApp account. And after that, when you will be redirected to the homepage of WhatsApp, you just need to go to this section wherein you can see the channels. And when you click on this, all the channels will appear from here at the top. You will see the search bar. Click on that search bar and then search for the desired channel that you want. And when you search it, click on it once and then it will open here on the right side. Now, after opening the channel at the top, click on that channel's name. And after clicking on the right side, you will see all the channel's info of that particular channel. So this is how you can view your channel's info on WhatsApp web in the new update on PC. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.